So this is our E455 fixed-wing VTOL drone. It's a Group 2, 55-pound maximum weight aircraft. It's all electric powered, and we can carry LiDAR sensors, mapping, cameras, surveillance cameras. We do a lot of work with police and first responders. We also work with pipeline operators doing right-of-way surveys. The E455 has a 2-hour flight time. We're able to fly one way up to about 81 miles. We integrate with a variety of radios as well, allowing us to fly beyond visual line of sight, including detect and avoid camera system, so we can fly legally with waivers under Part 107 in the US. So the E455 works with a variety of radio packages as well. We can integrate point-to-point radio links, as well as 4G LTE radios, and even Starlink and other SATCOM providers, so that we can be truly unlimited on telemetry range.